Hi all, we are all back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and on this channel I'll be doing tutorials based on drawings, origami, artworks and anything both interesting and cool. Welcome back to a new episode of Quick Draws, friends. Today we learn how to draw the numbers 1 to 5 as animals, friends. Well, this video is inspired by Pinkero. Don't forget to check him out, he's also a cool artist. Now let's start. This is number 1.
evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
And yes friends, here's our final art. I'm really happy and I hope you enjoyed this video friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. And until next time, this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.